How to make a quick and easy banana bread with a steel whisk. Combine together 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 eggs, and I use the steel whisk to beat this for 5 minutes. To get the sugar mixed out of this, I melted 1 stick of unsalted butter that I'll be adding to my eggs and sugar. Then I got 4 ripe bananas, removed the little strings, added a little lemon zest, and then I crushed this. You can use a fork or a masher. Then I added in the melted butter. This is what my mixture looks like, or my butter. Then you mix again for another 1 minute. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle. Then I gathered together 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda. I sieved this. I added a little hint of salt, less than a 1/4 teaspoon, cinnamon, nutmeg, mixed spice, and then I just sieve, combine, and then I fold in to my egg, sugar, and butter mixture. I added 2 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla, and a tablespoon almond essence. Quick and easy. Then I added in my mashed ripe bananas, and then I folded in quickly. Quick and easy. This whole mixture took me under 20 minutes to get this done. The longest part of this is baking in the oven. Then I greased a pan. You want your mixture to look similar to this. And because I'm extra and I'm experimenting, I also sliced some ripe bananas on top of this banana bread. Preheated my oven to 350 degrees. 1 hour 10 minutes to bake. Quick and easy banana bread recipe using a hand steel whisk, and this is what the final product looked like. Don't forget, guys, to give the video a like. It is free. In this video, I'm showing you how I got my banana mixture in 20 minutes ready to bake without using a sophisticated mixer. I used a hand whisk. Don't forget to give the video a like, and I cut into this to show you how moist my banana bread was. And listen, this was gone within an hour. Tasted really good. Giving a bonus video this week. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to give the video a like. I do lots of cooking vlogs, baking, and also a little lifestyle. Welcome again to Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle. Don't forget to give the video a like. It is free. Thank you.